Why are apartments a cornerstone of our investment strategy? Hi, I'm Wayne Courage III, Managing Principal of CREI Partners. Multifamily properties, also known as apartment communities, are one of our favorite asset classes, and for good reason. Everyone needs a place to live, so apartments tend to hold value and occupancy even in choppy times. They produce steady rental income from dozens or hundreds of tenants, which diversifies the income stream. We can also force appreciation by renovating units and improving operations, thereby increasing rent and the property's overall value. Multifamily is the bread and butter of housing, and as the population grows, or homeownership gets more expensive, the demand for quality apartments rises. Simply put, apartments have proven to be resilient and profitable, which is why we at CREI Partners continue to invest heavily in them. Want to learn more about why multifamily might deserve a spot in your portfolio? Join our free passive investor coaching program at passiveinvestorcoaching.com, and we'll share how we capitalize on multifamily investing for stable, long-term returns.